there's been a lot of changes at the shop. Greg Ward suddenly passed away. In the interim, I'm taking over the whole shop. It's been getting pretty emptied out, so that we can keep moving forward. You're going to see footage of Greg in the video you're about to watch, and a couple more coming. He's going to be missed. It's going to be a journey without him. Or I'm changing the format of the videos to more like updates and stuff. So expect a little bit in this video. The next video is going to be catching up on all kinds of stuff that I've been up to with this project. The clock's ticking. I want to go to Burning Man 2026, have it ready. Don't know how I'm going to do it, but I got a lot of help from a lot of guys here. Sure as shit could have used Greg some more. That came around. That's all I got. Wish me luck. I learned that chromium is really bad for you to breathe.
Sean, it's too tight, you'll never really get the other end in.
Oh, fuckers. There we go. Not too shabby.
Get over there. Yeah, move. No, that's not gonna work. Anyway, get over there, guys. Did you lock the tire in that thing? No. Go lock that, you know what you're doing there. Hey, Jim, get over there. Anyways, right? Jim, get out of there. Nice and slow there, nice and slow. Believe it or not, Sean, that axle is bending.
No, I mean...
Because if you lift the lift, it's gonna pull that axle out. If you're gonna, as you lift it up, it's gonna...
Come on, you're good there.
All right, okay. Just be careful. It's extended there, Sean, you know?
Oh shit, this is gonna work.
Somebody didn't listen to me.
Okay. Huh? Hey, write your strap on there and just pull it along with this. Oh, he's taking pictures. Now I'm on TV again.
The rotisserie. Now the whole thing moves, and I could rotate it to work on it.
Are you coming to Revolutions? No. Shit.
Just in the process of putting the ribs on. Some pieces are concave, some are convex. For both, these two are concave. That one's a convex one. I have to pull the metal to make the shape match up, and it's, you see a little air gap there. Pull this one next and tack it all up and go from there, but surprisingly it's going well. I thought, all these weird angles, how am I gonna cut this? This is gonna be a cardboard aided design nightmare. I'm going to like make each piece, it's going to measure it 4 times, all this and that, and I was relieved rather quickly when I started. There's literally 2 different cuts, this moon cut and a longer moon cut, and then they alternate. as they go around. And it's only 10 panels I got to interact with. This piece is convex. So you're like, okay, whatever, who cares? When you try to weld the piece, see how there's a gap there and a gap there? It makes it dang near impossible. So bring it along and show you how I pull that in. See, look at me talking like I know what I'm doing. Go from the inside. It's gonna be dark in here. Okay. And noisy. Ratchet strap. And we just crack it. See if I got enough of it. So I weld the ends, loosen off the strap, and it should close that gap, and then you tack it there. Try to show you this as best as possible. Super tight now. Getting the band go around, and I'm worried about these butt joints because these are the weakest welds. So I'm laminating a piece under, gonna leave a nice gap, and then fill it with weld and then grind it kind of back to normal. That's when the next band goes on. Just finished up welding the ring, and works out to like 120 feet of weld 4 times around. Used about 46 TIG rods. I'm gonna grind this weld so that it's smooth, and then I can polish it, and we'll see if anyone notices.